हरिओम। है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है। अ सोलफुल गीता भगवान भजन that beautifully captures the essence of divine love and devotion. This bhajan speaks about the blessed souls who attain the love of God once they surrender to the wisdom and guidance of God in the form of a true Guru. Through unwavering faith and inner purification, they attain spiritual enlightenment and union with the divine while they are alive. And then they keep spreading this divine love and light all around. है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है। प्रीतम के प्रीति के पीछे जग सारे को ठुकराया है। Blessed is the lover in this world who has found the love of the Lord, effortlessly giving up the entire world for the beloved's affection, the greatest bliss of life. A devotee, a true lover of God, is the one who is graced with the supreme blessing of attaining divine love, a love that transcends all worldly attachments. Such a lover joyfully experiences willing renunciation of material desires and distractions in pursuit of God's higher love. One needs to choose between temporary worldly pleasures and eternal divine love. The wise devotee, a Jnani Bhakt, chooses divine love, which is eternal, infinite, ever fulfilling, and endless. In choosing the higher bliss, smaller pleasures of material world drop automatically. In fact, we are willing to throw them away, having found a bigger treasure of God's love. Like how when we buy a Mercedes, we willingly give up the old Wagoner. When we buy a bigger house, we willingly give up the smaller house. Similarly, God's love is highest bliss anyone can ever experience, and such a bliss is eternal, endless, infinite. Then it's a no-brainer for a devotee to leave behind the temporary worldly pleasures in favor of eternal love of God. And anyway, we've all experienced that worldly things and pleasures and even worldly relationships eventually become a source of suffering, as all such pleasures are derived for a short period of time. They are all short-lived. But God's love is eternal and always a source of ultimate joy and bliss. दुनिया की मान बढ़ाई की परवाह न करते हैं प्रेमी, दिल जान की बाजी लगा करके सतगुरु को अपना बनाया है. The lovers of God, the devotees, do not ever care for worldly honor or praises or fame. They offer their whole heart and soul and their entire life to be one with the true Guru, to make the Guru their own, because they have realized that God has come in the form of true Guru. For a devotee, all that matters is the Guru's love, acknowledgement, and grace. If the seeker's conduct pleases the Guru, it's the greatest source of joy a seeker can ever get. Listening to Guru's guidance is one thing, but implementing it is what pleases the seeker as well as the Guru. And then the praise that comes from walking the path shown by the Guru, from spiritual progress, is what truly warms the heart. And in front of such divine appreciation, the worldly fame, the worldly success, worldly praises are nothing. So a true lover of God never runs behind worldly recognition or praise. Instead, they focus on complete and deep commitment of their heart, of their soul, to the Guru, to please the Guru, who is the form of God on the earth. रहती है लगन सदा दिल में, ये कब रीझेंगे नाथ मेरे, हो मगन सदा इस धुन में ही सारा संसार भुलाया है. For a lover of God, there is a constant yearning, constant urge in the heart, wondering when the Lord will be pleased. And absorbed in this devotion, such a seeker forgets the whole world. This intense longing and yearning for divine makes a lover of God do everything that the Guru teaches. Implementing divine guidance brings discipline, consistency, compassion for one and all, and a whole lot of devotion for the divine. Eventually, pleasing the Guru is the only aspiration of a lover of God. And when one attains this goal, it transforms their life, leading to enlightenment and oneness. As such a state of being is a state where the only focus is God and God alone. दिल के तख्ते को साफ किया जो जन्म जन्म से थे काले, श्रद्धा विश्वास अटल रख के घट ही में दर्शन पाया है. The slate of the heart had become black and dirty due to layers of ego and karmas of lifetimes. But thanks to the grace of God in the form of a true Guru, my heart now has been cleansed. And with unwavering faith and trust, I can say with conviction that it is possible to attain God. Now that I have met the divine within me with the grace of the Guru, I want to be a medium to guide many others to experience this divine bliss. रग रग में इश्क की आग लगा, सुख चैन भुलाए हैं सारे, गुरु वचनों पे होके सदके मैंने मंजिल को पाया है. On this path, once the fire of divine love is ignited in every vein of a devotee, all worldly comforts and pleasures are effortlessly forgotten. And then there is a constant urge and yearning to be with God every moment. And surrendering to the Guru's wisdom, we attain such a destination, to be one with divine, the ultimate destination of oneness with the divine. I found the divine within me and I discovered that I am myself the divine love that I was searching for outside. I am love, and through me, this love keeps spreading far and wide in the entire universe. That's how powerful rising in love with God is. That's how magical surrendering is. That's how magical and miraculous walking the guided path is. It's like burning away worldly desires and past karmas in the fire of love. Just surrender and enjoy the bliss. Stay surrendered, stay in bliss, stay blessed with the love of the true Guru, love of God Himself. है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है. है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है. है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है. प्रीतम के प्रीति के पीछे जग सारे को ठुकराया है. प्रीतम के प्रीति के पीछे जग सारे को ठुकराया है. है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है. दुनिया की मान बढ़ाए के परवाह न करते हैं प्रेमी. दिल जान की बाजी लगा करके सतगुरु को अपना बनाया है. दिल जान की बाजी लगा करके सतगुरु को अपना बनाया है. है धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है. रहती है लगन सदा दिल में, ये कब रीझे प्रभु का पाया है। दिल के तख्ते को साफ किया जो जन्म जन्म से थे काले। श्रद्धा विश्वास अटल रख के घट ही में दर्शन पाया है। श्रद्धा विश्वास अटल रख के घट ही में दर्शन पाया है। धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है। रग रग में इश्क की आग लगा, सुख चैन भुलाए हैं सारे। गुरु वचनों पे हो के सदके मैंने मंजिल को पाया है। गुरु वचनों पे हो के सदके मैंने मंजिल को पाया है। धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है। प्रीतम के प्रीति के पीछे जग सारे को ठुकराया है। धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु का पाया है। धन्य जगत में वो प्रेमी जिसने प्यार प्रभु